Hello, I wanted to demo about using the AWS account Cloud9 visualizer. And this is the best way to visualize your architecture, and then you may take a auditing or backup something so that we are mainly designed is for the coming well school competition so that your competitor is able to back up their setting before AWS reset everything, and then also facilitating the expert to grade your setup, and which is very simple. You say you just need to create a Cloud9 IDE here, and then you just copy the those three commands and paste down here, and then press enter. Just wait for a second. And this one is the first time you're running, you will build install something, JQ, and download a Docker image. It will be a bit slower. But the second time you run, it will be very, very fast. And just take a minute, and then it will I can show you the source code. Actually, I'm using two open source projects, and this open source, one of the open source is called AWS Secure Visualize, and the second one is called CloudMapper, and it's a source from Cisco. And for different Linux, I will have different installation command. And actually here is it's just download the second image, and then it will start 1.2 Docker container. And here is it will dump your configuration here. For example, it's just a very simple logic. It's just one all of the descript command from AWS. For example, descript all your VPC, descript all your security group, descript all your bucket here, so that it is a snapshot of your AWS account through descript command. And the second thing is that it will also create a website web application. You can immediately to preview your architecture here, and then just pop it up. And this one is too small, don't use it. And you will find the architecture will be here. Okay, you can have different filtering, overview of your lump of server, whatever, and at least you can have a overview of your infrastructure here. And also, you may, after the competition, you need to back up it. It's quite straightforward. You just download the data folder and the account data. Yeah, you need both of them. This account data is different, but you can download here, and also download your account data. Yeah, this is the JSON from AWS command output, so that you can have a backup of your architecture. And after you download it, you can still view the output. Just open the download folder. Here's the data run is the backup, and extract here. And since this is HTML, you can't directly open the index. It will not allow you to run the JavaScript, and you just copy everything. And then I have a portable USB web server here, and then I go to my root folder and copy the source, all the HTML here, and then go back to my portable web server, and here is the local host. Wait for a second, it's dump the JavaScript here. You get back all of your setting and back up here. And also, I also generate the security group output for your faster to review. It is called security PNG. This is a static image, and also once you download for your from your web server, you will get it here, and you can have the overview of your security group set up quickly, and also the expert can grade the setting more effectively. And that's the overall of the demonstration and how to back up your settings so that your competitor have a backup, so that if you found something your grading is very unusual next day, and then AWS told you that everything is deleted, and you still have the chance to explain what happened yesterday. Okay, thank you very much to saw my demonstration. But after this, if you just want to remove the Cloud9, then you will not cost you a lot of money or something. But, okay.